Not enough minerals. Insufficient Vespene gas. Additional supply depots required. Landing sequence interrupted. Unacceptable landing zone. Not enough energy. Base is under attack. Your forces are under attack. Research complete. Add-on complete. Nuclear launch detected. Abandoning auxiliary structure. Upgrade complete. Nuclear missile ready.
Identify yourself. Shields up, weapons online. Not equipped with shields. Well then buckle up. We are getting way behind schedule. I really have to go. Number 1. Battle cruiser operational. All crews reporting. Receiving transmission. Good day, Commander. Hailing frequencies open. Make it happen. Set a course. Take it slow. Engage.
I want to be all I can be. I tell you what, I think I'll join up. I'm a little claustrophobic, though. Hope they don't put me in any tight spaces. What the hell? I need that college money. Hey, how'd I get here? Hey there. How y'all doing? What's up? Howdy. Sure thing.
When removing your overhead luggage, please be careful. In case of a water landing, you may be used as a flotation device. To hurl chunks, please use the vomit bag in front of you. Keep your arms and legs inside until this ride comes to a full and complete stop. Can I take your order? Go ahead, HQ. I'm listening. Destination, input coordinates. In the 5x5. Hang on, we're in for some chop. In transit, HQ. Buckle up. Strap yourselves in, boys. I copy that.
Been a general for 15 years. Now I'm taking orders from a pup. This core hull outfit's a mess. Y'all need some good old-fashioned discipline. That's what you need. What? Well, I haven't got all day. Make up your mind. About time. Decisive action. Should work. All right, then. Been a general for 15 years. Now I'm taking orders from a pup. This core hull outfit's a mess. Y'all need some good old-fashioned discipline. That's what you need. What? Well, I haven't got all day. Make up your mind. About time. Should work. All right, then.
Is something burning? That's what I thought. I love the smell of napalm. Nothing like a good smoke. Are you trying to get invited to my next barbecue? Got any questions about propane? Or propane accessories? Need a light? Yes? You got my attention. Want to turn up the heat? Naturally. Slamming. You got it. Let's burn.
You called down the thunder. Now reap the whirlwind. Keep it up, I dare ya. I'm about to overload my aggression inhibitors. Somebody call for an exterminator? Ghost reporting. I'm here. Never know what hit 'em. I'm all over it.
Milspec E209 on. Checklist protocol initiated. Running level 1 diagnostic. USDA selected. FDIC approved. Checklist completed. SOB. Goliath online. Go ahead, TACOM. Comlink online. Confirmed. Target designated.
Easily amused, huh? Doesn't take a telepath to know what you're thinking. You get off on annoying people, don't you? You may have time to play games, but I've got a job to do. Lieutenant Kerrigan reporting. What now? I'm waiting on you. I'm ready. I gotcha. Thinking the same thing. It'd be a pleasure. I read ya.
We gotta move. Are you gonna give me orders? Oh my god, he's whacked. I vote we frag this commander. How do I get out of this chicken shit outfit? You want a piece of me, boy? If it weren't for these damn neural implants, you'd be a smoking crater by now. You want a piece of me, boy? That's the stuff. Commander, standing by. Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll.
I'm just curious, why am I so good? I gotta get me one of these. You know who the best starfighter in the fleet is? Yours truly. Everybody's gotta die sometime, Red. I am invincible, that's right. Read the waiting launch orders. Go ahead, Commander. Transmit coordinates. Standing by. Reporting in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in.
Hey, quit it. What's your problem, man? Look, Commander, do you mind? I knew I should have stayed in bed this morning. Raynor here. This is Jimmy. Anytime you're ready. Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah. Hey, quit it. What's your problem, man? Look, Commander, do you mind? I knew I should have stayed in bed this morning. Raynor here. This is Jimmy. Anytime you're ready. Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah.
I can't build it. Something's in the way. I can't build there. Come again, Captain? I'm not reading you clearly. You ain't from around here, are you? I can't believe they put me in one of these things. And now I gotta put up with this, too? I told them I was claustrophobic. I gotta get out of here. I'm socked in here tighter than a frog's butt in a watermelon seed fight. SCV good to go, sir. Job's finished. Yes, sir? Orders, Captain? I read you. Reporting for duty. Affirmative. Roger that. Right away, sir. Orders received.
Da 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 down da 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 down. I'm about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice. What is your major malfunction? Ready to roll out. Yes, sir. Destination. Identify target. Orders, sir. Move it. succeeding? Delighted to, sir. Absolutely.
I like the cut of your jib. E equals MC. Oh, let me get my notepad. Fusion, eh? I'll have to remember that. Who set all these lab monkeys free? I think we may have a gas leak. Do any of you fools know how to shut off this infernal contraption? The ship, out of danger? Greetings, Command. Transmit orders. Receiving headquarters. We have you on visual. Let's roll. Excellent. Commencing. Affirmative, sir.
Something you wanted? I don't have time to f*** around. You keep pushing me, boy, and I'll scrap you along with the aliens. All right, bring it on. What do you want? Yeah? I read you, sir. Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it?
We require more minerals. We require more Vespene gas. Spawn more overlords. Not enough energy. The Hive Cluster is under attack. Our forces are under attack. Evolution complete. Nuclear launch detected.
I am Zerg. Live for the swarm. Ready to kill. Prepare to die. Let me serve. Sacrifice me. Yes. Immediately. Gladly. For the Overmind.
You begin to annoy me, Cerebrit. But don't think that I need you. Should you become a nuisance, I'll kill you myself. Yes, Cerebrit? What is it now? I'm listening. A bold move. On my way. All right.
You have not enough minerals. You require more Vespene gas. You must construct additional pylons. Not enough energy. We are under attack. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Research complete. Nuclear launch detected. Upgrade complete. We sense a soul in search of answers. Do you seek knowledge of time travel? We'll take that as a yes. And now for your first lesson. Do you seek knowledge of time travel? Warp field stabilized. We feel your presence. Duras. Galadul. We are vigilant. In God's name. Jetpakazol. Gauran. It all looks so different on this side. Break on through. It's beautiful. They should have sent a poet. The merging is complete. We burn. We need focus. Draw some cup. Power overwhelming. Destroy. Annihilate. Obliterate. Eradicate. enemies are legion. And still you procrastinate. Command, or you will be relieved. This is not an idle threat. Carrier has arrived. Instructions. Your command. Yolkas. Yishnu. Commencing. Kokotula. Gaotu. Affirmative. Your taunts are ill-advised, Templar. Do not provoke me to violence. You can no more evade my wrath than you could your own shadow. Yes, Zanashkoina, I'm waiting. Neraskulio, for ire. Lema, so be it. Very well. Unauthorized transmission. Incorrect protocol. Drop your weapon. You have 15 seconds to comply. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have returned. Receiving. Awaiting instructions. Transmitted. Input command. Galasas. Zakaladas. Make use of me. I am needed. Confirmed. Initiated. Lopai. Mitora. Commencing. Nagatsul. For vengeance. I fear no enemy, for the Kala is my strength. I fear not death, for our strength is eternal. Executor, your command? What would you ask of me? I hunger for battle, for ire. Immediately. Nakbagala, as you will.
Speak quickly, Executor. I don't have time for games. I was Executor long before you. So do not try my patience. Yes, Executor? I hear you. How may I help? Your will? Of course. It shall be done. For Adun! Tarakala!
What's your name? No. Hereby. 1, 3, 1, 0. Tobori. Protoss. Pluto. Takon. Signal unstable. Psionic link anticipated. Adjusting neural transmission. Self-referential inhibitors re-engaged. Teleport successful. Awaiting command. Standing by. Contact. Jogad. Kios. Kokola. Locus acknowledged. It will be done.
Speak quickly, Executor. I don't have time for games. I was Executor long before you. So do not try my patience. Yes, Executor? I hear you. How may I help? Your will? Of course. It shall be done. For Adun! Tarakala!
you have an appetite for destruction. And you learn to use your illusion. But I find your lack of control disturbing. Cassade Templari. Your thoughts, Zerg. I heed thy call. You think as I do. It shall be done. My path is set. Yidok.
I sense a soul in search of answers.
That sounds like a huge, gargantuan, swollen, bloated mushroom! One small step for man, one giant... Stop poking me!
In the age of chaos, back for dominance.
Warcraft 2. Jetzt als Exklusivedition mit dem Expansion Set, 4 Postern und Zauberlehr.
Entaru Adun! All for the Empire! Doom to all who threaten the homeworld! My life for ire! What battle calls! I long for combat! She house! Go Kola! Thus I serve! Honor guide me! For Adun!
You have persecuted us for generations, and now you beg us to aid you? We will do what we must, but we do it for Ire, not you. You address me? Your orders, Templar? Kas Narada. I do this for Ire. So be it. It will be done. Entaru Adun.